Alright, got my little bits and pieces trimmed off. The edges aren't quite fitting together as snugly as I'd hoped. I think my tolerances might be a little off, so maybe if I take these apart and just shape off the little biscuit I made in there, I can get them to snug up a little bit. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my X-Acto knife here and just square along the edge here and remove a lot of that extra material. What this will do is it will create a little point where the stress will allow me to just snap this off fairly cleanly if everything goes the way I expect it to, which I could be wrong. Let's see. Get some pliers here. Yeah, it's working. Alright, let's see if that fits together any better. No, not that great, but hey, it's a 3D printed frame. Alright, after a bit more trimming, I got things fitting together a little bit more fleshly here. So that's looking a bit more acceptable. Just gonna open this up here with a little bit of super glue. Alright, so I got it all together now, and I just need to seal up the back of the frame. What I'm going to try and do is use a soldering iron to melt some plastic and kind of create some tabs to hold everything in. Hopefully it does not
burst in flames on me here. Let's try cut this into chunks. Alright. That seems to have worked fairly well. Might add a couple more there. It's 11 inches. Let's mark that at 8.
Alright, and that is that. Nice little project there. I think it turned out pretty well.